Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today what are we gonna see in this video is how to train your kids. So especially I'm gonna teach you how to train your kids from 6 months itself. Yes, so if you like this video, please do like, share and do subscribe to my channel and keep watching all my videos. And so let's get started. So starting from actually you can start training your kids from 6 months itself. Without confusing y'all, I will go topic by topic so that it is easier for y'all to understand. So first of all, the things what I have already trained my daughter is food training. So she eats on her own, but that one I have actually trained her very late. I just started when she was 1 year, but actually y'all can start as early as 6-7 months itself, depending on every child. Some kids won't be able to sit at 6 months, or some kids are very fast. So all that you need to train them to eat on their own is a high chair or a proper place for them to sit and eat, and a comfortable plate and spoon. So I use this spoon. So I use these fork and spoon. So it is, if you'll see, it is a little tilted or little bent. So when they hold like this, the bent is towards the mouth, so it is easier for them to scoop it and put it in their mouth. So if the spoon is gonna be straight, it becomes difficult, so they will start learning to eat like this. So that's not what we want. So they have to learn to eat this way, and so the spoon is slightly tilted like this, and the fork. So it's easier for them. Even if they hold like this and eat, it's already towards their mouth. So this is what I'm using for training her to eat by herself, and by now she is already eating on her own. Second is sleep training. Sleep training, actually I started to train her from 4 months itself. She started sleeping all alone in a separate room, but after that she slept completely by herself when she was 9 months old. So that was first time she slept by herself. She fell asleep by herself for the first time when she was 9 months old. So that was the sleep training. Again, if y'all want to know actually how I trained to put her to sleep by her own, is you can press this I button, so you can get the other video how I actually trained her. And next is what I taught her was brushing her teeth. So she brushes her teeth by herself, though at the end I just run my finger. There's a finger brush also, so where I just run my finger in around her teeth, so which is like gives me a little confidence that it is clean than her brushing all by herself. But yes, training that is also very important, so they get confidence of doing all by themselves. So she is also trained for brushing her teeth. So these 3 things I've already trained her, and she has already mastered, I could say. So next things what I am teaching her right now is, one is to sit on the high chair by herself. So what I am training right now is, as her food is ready, I arrange her high chair and all the things she needs, a bib and all that, a spoon and all that, and I keep it, and I only show her a plate and say food is ready. Actually I say it in my own language, so I say Coco is ready, Coco, baby come on Coco. So yeah, so she tries to get that word Coco. So Coco is food. So Coco, when she hears that Coco, she is preparing herself that she has to eat next. So she will find her chair, go sit. So the next thing what I'm teaching her right now is washing her hands by herself.
Go for hand wash, Brenda. Go for your hand wash. Hand wash. Hand wash. Come. Good job. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Rub, rub, rub. कैसे करूँ चे? Do rub, rub, rub. Rub, rub, rub. Do. Wash your hands. Wash your hands, baby. Rub, 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 rub. This is the way we wash our hands. Wash our hands, wash our hands. Rub, rub कर रहे हो. Do rub, rub. See?
So this is very important, and at least now if we start training them, they will get to learn, know a little by little. So next thing, very very important, what you have to teach your child is clean up. Yes, cleaning up. This is very important because they will get to learn how to keep their environment clean, how to, like, once they play, they will learn to keep their own toys, organize it. So this is very important, and I feel like now itself I feel a little relieved because when she plays I start telling clean up.
Come on, pick it up. Put it in. Good job. Good job. Pick it up. Put it in. Good job. Clean up. Clean up. Okay, clean up. Clean up. Good job, Brini. Clean up. Clean up. Brini.
So one thing is, give them keywords. Do not start telling like like my daughter's name is Brini. So Brini, start cleaning up. You need to do this. So not sentences like that. You can't tell big sentences. You need to have keywords. For example, food. When she has to eat, I say coco time. Then when she has to sleep, if it is during the daytime, I say tati. Tati is like sleep in a baby language in my in Konkani. So I say tati time, tati and all that. And if it is night, I say good night, sleepy time. So these are the keywords that I use for her. Then washing hands, I actually tell rub 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 rub. I sing a song to her. Then I also sing song of wash your hands, this is the way we wash our hands. So that kind of songs I sing to her while washing hands, so she gets to know, okay, when she hears this song she has to do this. And parents out there, do believe me, once they are trained to do all this, it is so peaceful. You have so much time for yourself. I get so much time, and that's the way everything, like even clean up, when it is when her toys are all scattered around, I see, okay, now it's time for clean up. Brini, clean up. She starts collecting everything and putting it in, and I just have so much free time. So parents, do try this and let me know how it worked out with your children, and I'm sure it is gonna work out. So if you like this video, please do like, share and do subscribe to my channel, and keep watching all my videos. Until then, bye bye.